Welcome to our channel Top 10 Foysal. Here is given best sellers in humidifiers. 1. FREEPOWER Portable Mesh Vaporizer Machine, Handheld Mini Vaporizer, built-in rechargeable battery, for travel or home daily use. 2. Elechomes UC 5501 Ultrasonic Humidifier 6 liters Vaporizer Warm and Cool Mist for Large Room Baby Bedroom with Remote, Customized Humidity, LED Touch Display, Sleep Mode, 12-40 hours, 550 ml/H Max Humidity. 3. CLONEMUS Humidifier for Bedroom, Top Fill 3.5 liters Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifiers Essential Oil Diffuser for Babies, Easy to Clean, 11-32 hours, Auto Shut Off, Red Warning Light 0.9 gallon, US 110V. 4. Humidifier for Bedroom Top Filling, Oil Box, Cool Mist, Whisper Quiet Ultrasonic Air Humidifier, Large Room, Baby, Kids, Home, Office 36H Humidifying 3 liters capacity for dry cough, nose, skin, and eyes. 5. Upgraded 2020 Top Fill 6 liters Cool Mist Large Humidifier for Home -360 degrees Humidifiers for Large Room, Bedroom, Basement, Easy to Clean and Fill, Auto Off, for Whole Home, Quiet for Babies, Kids, Black. 6. Premium Ultrasonic Cool and Warm Mist Humidifier, Top Filling, Whisper Quiet Humidifier for Bedroom, Large Room, Babies, Home -4 liters capacity, 30H Humidifying, for dry cough, nose, skin, and eyes. 7. Onsen Cool Mist Humidifiers, 4.5 liters Top Fill Ultrasonic Whisper Quiet Humidifiers for Bedroom with Humidistat LED Display, Adjustable Mist Output, Sleep Timing Mode, Auto Shut Off, for Home Baby, 1.2 gallon. 8. Bonco Aqua Pro 2-inch -1 Humidifier Filter 8250. 9. Mstdetl Portable Mini USB Humidifier, 200 ml Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier with 7 colors Light changing for bedroom home office travel, Auto Shut Off, Super Quiet Operation, Black. 10. Ike Vanilla Cool Mist Humidifier for Bedroom, Baby Safety Humidifier with Adjustable Mist Output, 2.7 liters/0.7 gal, lasts up to 30 hours, Whisper Quiet, Auto Shut Off, Filterless for Home Office Nursery. 11. Air Innovations Humidifier Large Capacity 1.7 gal, 6.4 liters, Whisper Quiet Cool Mist Ultrasonic for rooms up to 600 SQ Fort Baby Bedroom BPA free up to 96 HS Remote Control Digital Display Aroma Tray, Black. 12. Matatech Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier Portable Mini USB Air Humidifier for Car Travel Office Baby Bedroom Home with 7 colors Night Light and Auto Shut Off, 230 ml. 13. Matatech Ultrasonic Car Diffuser for Essential Oils, Portable Mini USB Air Humidifier for Home, Desk, Travel.